craze 조금 더 망설이지 마 Alright I don't want a best friend
Good morning. Do you want to see how short my hair? I forgot. Oh my gosh. Still getting used to how short my hair is, but it's spring, so I thought I would change it up and cut off a lot of the damaged hair because spring reset. The hairstylist said that this length would fit my face shape, so I trusted her and let her do her thing, and here we are. This is the shortest I've ever gone, but sometimes you gotta change it up. Also, hair always grows back, so it's okay. We're doing some springy activities this weekend, so I'm excited to take you along.
Every summer, every winter, or every season, I'll be missing her. No matter how much time goes by, my love for her.
I'm getting ready now to go to a winery.
Goodbyes can be the sweet, yet we still cry with.
Look at my friend's garden. Yesterday, right after my haircut, we drove up to Northern California. Oh my gosh, my hair is so short. It was a great start to the spring season. And then right after the haircut, we stopped by Porto's, which is the best bakery ever. Picked up Porto's for our NorCal friends, and then we arrived here safely last night. We are getting into the spring mood, so today we're going to a winery. We're gonna head out to the winery now. I'm so excited because I really liked the Camus Cab that we tried last week, and when we looked up the Camus wineries, we found one near here, so we were like, oh, we have to check it out.
Oh, yeah, let's do that.
This winery is so beautiful. So we actually went to school in UC Davis, and it's pretty close by here. I did not know there was such a cute winery so close by. Yeah.
So this is our Sea Sun Chardonnay.
Cheers!
White grape? What do you taste?
What notes do you guys taste?
I taste Porto's banana chips. But it's stuck in my teeth. I know, right?
Maybe
So I know.
honeysuckle.
Should we do a point system?
Oh, that's a
okay.
good system.
What happens to the loser?
Max 2 guesses.
Yeah.
Right?
This is which one? The sea sun?
I taste
See?
honeysuckle. Like musket grape?
C-A-T. Are you guys ready? Question. What are the notes that we should be tasting? We're doing a little contest between each other.
So Sea Sun Chardonnay, light oakiness, light butteriness, a lot of like honeysuckle, butterscotch.
Yeah,
You know,
I did.
there you go.
Are there any fruits in there that you would
So
say?
with a Chardonnay like that, you usually get like white stone fruit. So you get white peaches. No way!
Yeah.
Good for you.
Thank you.
What did you say? Like peaches?
Yeah, I
White
said
peach.
honeysuckle and white peach.
Love it. There you go.
Thank
She
you.
First
wins.
round, okay? It's only the
She
first round.
wins. But very good.
We'll be asking you every single poll if you don't mind. Dude, I'm 0 for 2.
Well, for 2. She's 2 for 2.
I got a point.
There's some hills right behind us. They grow in a really iron-rich soil. Really pretty acidity. The tasting notes on this.
Can we wait until we kind of
Yes, we will.
Thank
We want
you.
to talk
Thank
about
you so much.
I want to know what you think.
That was a
Thank you.
one-time thing.
Yeah, I might not get another one again.
These are whatever's worms.
Okay. This is what I taste.
This one's tough. I gotta keep swallowing. Got raisin and dark cherry.
Wow, very
Oh.
dark red
Dark
fruit.
cherry, not the regular kind of white
Dark cherry.
Dark cherry.
So What did you think? Really one of our least fruity wines. Is that what you said?
No,
Oh,
not at all.
What did you think?
You said vanilla.
Yeah.
Okay, so vanilla comes from the oak. It comes from the French oak that it's aged in. It's aged about 20 months in French oak. You also get a little bit of baking spices. Like
I almost said cinnamon.
cinnamon, no, cinnamon, brown sugar. Go with your gut.
That's so much.
So,
Do I get two?
If you didn't have baking spices.
I know, I just wrote that for
Okay,
my
I just want to make sure.
Okay, so I have 1 point.
Great grandfather who lived on top of a mountain in Napa.
For my fruit, I said fig.
Interesting.
Anyone?
The color just doesn't give me fig, you know what I mean?
The spice, I taste white pepper.
Getting closer to me. Okay, next.
I said white pepper.
Oh.
I said pomegranate.
Oh, I was gonna put that.
I am pomegranate and
Oh.
Ooh, we're like kind of on the same side.
Okay, so should we ask?
The Zinfandel and Petit Syrah, blackberries, plums.
Oh, I was gonna say plum.
A little bit of spiciness, some more pepper notes on the finish.
What kind of pepper?
And that's very good. No, seriously, black pepper.
Oh, I should have gone with
Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Thank you. This is the reason why we came here. Yeah, this cab is why we looked up this winery. Cheers.
This one's like really easy to drink.
whatever she said we can't use.
Okay.
Okay. What do you taste?
Oh, wish I got a shot.
Like 3 options.
We're not allowed to say vanilla.
I'd say no more vanilla. Okay, no more vanilla. It's like in the oak. Wait, dark cacao?
You put that too?
No, dark chocolate.
Oh, okay, same thing though.
She just wanted to sound cooler. Dark cacao, dark chocolate.
Napa Valley Cab. Ooh. You definitely get a little bit of chocolatey notes in our Wait, can you? You really need to give it some good air.
I got it. Oh, you go, bud.
Those darker stone fruits.
Cherry?
No. Don't really get a lot.
Okay.
It tasted sweet to me.
So cute.
Oh, dude, your eyes are closed, brother.
What is that?
I tried that.
It's
Would
okay.
you like to try new ones?
No, it's okay. That was a fun wine tasting though, right?
That was.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
Here, if you buy wines, then the tasting is waived and it's applied as credit to your wine purchases. So that's basically what we did. Our som was super kind, made our tasting contest really fun. So what a great experience. Bye! I love morning walks with friends. So we just got back from Costco. For our next spring activity, we're gonna do a fun group dinner. Today's menu is boiling crab at home. For starters, we have all of our seasoning. The main star. Help! Now we're gonna cut some sausages. Shrimp, ready to go. Garlic bread, ready to go. Fries, ready to go. We're making the broth now. Garlic. 완전 뜨거. Basically, you boil shrimp in a broth. This is butter and a bunch of spices. That thick dipping sauce. Boiling pot for 8 people. Very cost efficient. In you go. Ah! Boiling crab at home. Thank you. That's good. That's good.
Oh, they're so brown.
That's okay. They look good to me.
Bad.
putting extra sunscreen on. This feels gross.
Always bring in water, hydroplan.
Baseball game. We just finished work and now we're gonna do the most spring activity that you can think of. Gardening! I'm gonna help my friend garden a little bit. We are setting aside some transplants for her friends. I'm gonna dig a hole here about this size so that I can pop one of these guys. I love the smell of dirt. I feel like it really grounds you. This is so therapeutic. You'll pick. Tight. We just planted a tomato. Fun fact, we were housemates and roommates during college, and she had a farming internship, so I used to farm at our school. Like, what do you call it?
Student farm?
She would always bring back like patty pans, pomegranates, all sorts of vegetables that she harvested. I occasionally went with her, and it's one of my favorite college memories.
As much soil as we could keep on them is ideal.
Oh, press it.
Yeah, contact to a degree.
This is so healing to touch dirt and water plants. Shower! That was my spring reset. New hair, good wine, good food with friends, baseball game, and gardening. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!